Hello viewers, using this TDL, you can automatically create receipt voucher during your sale bill entry. First of all, we need to active this features from add-on features option. For example, now I am create a sale bill. In this portion, set enter receipt detail to yes. After set yes, a new pop-up from will open. Here you need to select your bank ledger or cash ledger. For example, I am select my bank ledger. After select the bank ledger, another form will open. You need to select payment type, installment number, and all necessary information. Select receipt voucher type. Here you can input some narration, and also you can use cost center. Finally, save the bill. Your receipt voucher was generated successfully. Here, you can see your receipt voucher. Thank you for watching this video. For any information kindly call us on below number.